Alright, good timers. So we just checked into the Elara and have a sweet suite. This was actually an upgrade for us. Didn't have to pay anything. They just offered it to us at the front desk. So here we are. Alright guys, and here is the living area slash kitchen. We've got a TV right above the dining room table for some reason, but interesting. Got yourself a nice little convection oven microwave, dishwasher, full-size fridge. They didn't get my beer order yet, apparently. Alright. And I'm going to assume we got some dishes here in the cupboards. Plenty of dishes there. Some glassware. You got silverware. Flat top range there. And a brew station, which looks like it actually might make some decent coffee there, not just your regular old Keurig. Ooh, and we got water.
I'm thirsty.
That is very important when you're in the desert. So yes, a huge living area, guys. Nice little mirror and vanity there. A very comfortable looking couch. By the way, you can thank me for doing this room review before we unpacked everything, because it will not look this pretty in about 20 minutes. And a nice big screen TV. And we do have a view of what appears to be the parking garage, but at the same time we have a great view of the mountains and the sphere and a little bit of the strip. We got a great view of the Paris Tower, actually. This is technically a strip view. And now you walk right into the bedroom. Just knocking in case anybody was in here naked. And we got another big TV, not lacking in television sets here. So if you feel like, you know, watching TV, you got plenty of them to choose from. Full length mirror, so make sure that you are clean and physically fit before you stare at that naked.
Look how tall this is.
And Simone is short, so the bed looks tall.
It does look like it's all the way up to my hip.
And actually, it does look like a very comfortable bed. Simone, try to hurt yourself.
I made it.
What do you think?
I think it'll be good.
All right. The bed is going to be good, especially when somebody else is sleeping on her, beside her.
Oh my god.
And we do got some USB ports here, along with the phone. Some more drawers.
Somebody was doing donuts in the parking lot.
Say somebody's doing donuts in the parking lot. Hey, we got a smile on the sphere over there. He's going to be checking us out tonight. And a DVD player. All the shades, guys, are controlled by this button here. So if you want the shades down, they are blackout shades. So you can go from day to a very dark night just at the touch of a button. And now it's dark, so we'll hit the light and we'll put shades back up. Maybe. Shades up. There we go. Nope. Shade. Nope. Down. Up. Oh, okay. Now I think I broke it. Okay, there it goes. All right. And right beside the bed, we actually got a really nice looking hot tub here. And we didn't bring our suits, so you know what that means. And the shade is going back down. Oops. All right, we got a full closet here. Another mirror. Certainly not lacking in mirrors here either, guys. This is a nice looking shower. Not the biggest shower in the world, but big enough. Two different sinks, and look, it's another TV.
There's a TV in the bathroom?
There is. Not so if you want to watch TV while you're on the toilet, which is not that exciting, but you can turn on the TV out here, leave the door open, and you can watch TV while you're doing your stuff. All right, so that completes the Hilton Grand Vacations Club at the Elara. Until next time, have a good time.